It's 7:20, and well, that's the time we got to get her done. We got to let people know what the word is today, and the word we've been on a bit of a theme here, if you will.
And I think we've still got the theme going.
Okay.
Okay. So the word that wins for 7:20 is gravy.
Gravy.
It's gravy. So write that down, log on to kbrj.com, and you can log in there, and you will earn reward points, and then you will be able to take those reward points and shop.
All right. Gravy is your word.